to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate this blue smoky eye. Initially I didn't know where I was going with this, but I really like the end result. It's very nice and it's different, so I really like it. And if you want to see how to recreate this look, please continue watching. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. First, we're going to go ahead and prime the eyelids. Here I'm just using a concealer to ensure that the shadow stays in place. Next, I'm taking the red color from my BH Cosmetics palette and just packing that in the crease of the eyelid. I'm not yet blending. You can just see I'm gently placing the color on the eyelid and just making sure that it shows and that it's bright. Next, I'm packing in a pink color from the same BH Cosmetics palette. Okay, now I'm taking the Laura Lee Party Animal palette and I'm using this orange color and I'm placing that on top of the pink and red shadows, kind of layering it but not yet blending it in. And now I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm taking an yellow color and that's what I'm using to start blending in the shadows at the top of the eyelid to ensure that there's no harsh lines when transitioning from the orange to the yellow. Next, I'm taking a fluffy blending brush and I'm blending in the red with the pink and the orange. Okay, and I am just going back into the crease with a darker red color. And that color is from the Jaclyn Hill palette as well. Initially I was looking at doing a cut crease, but I had changed my mind at the last minute and decided to try something different. Now I'm going to go ahead and place the concealer over the eyelid so that we can change the colors into something different, and I felt like doing something bright. Now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm packing in the color from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I really like this aqua blue, maybe sort of like a shimmery teal color. And I'm just packing in the color on the eyelid. I'm also taking the NYX Jumbo pencil in white and just placing that on the outer half of the eyelid because I started adding a darker blue, but I didn't like the way it was coming out, so I thought maybe adding a little bit of white would help brighten the color up. Okay, now I'm going back in with the brush and applying the darker blue on the outer half of my eyelid. And I felt like the brush wasn't doing the color any justice. So of course I take my finger and just place the shadow on the lid. And I'll do the blending here in a bit. But right now I just wanted to get the color as bright as I could onto the eyelid. Okay, I'm just cleaning some fallout here. Okay, now I'm blending in both the colors so that there's no harsh lines. And in the crease, I'm going back to the BH Cosmetics palette and using a dark navy blue eyeshadow just to kind of blend into the crease and go a little bit more up towards the brighter colors. Now we're going to highlight the brow bone. I'm using a matte white color. I'm also going to line the waterline with the white pencil. Now I'm going to shade underneath the eye the same pretty shimmery teal color. I'm also going to add the darker blue and just blend it here in a bit together. That way it doesn't look so separated. So here I'm blending. Now I'm going to line the top of my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do a wing. Outline underneath in the waterline on the edge halfway with the black, and then take the smudger portion and smudge it all out into the eyeshadow to give it a smoky look. Now I am adding my FX foundation and I'm just blending that in with my fingers. We're going to go ahead and apply concealer underneath the eyes, around the nose, and on the chin, and any other problem areas you might have. And just go ahead and blend all that in. Go ahead and set the face with some translucent powder. Alright, now I am taking my Bare Minerals Warmth, and I'm using this just to sculpt my face. And I want to go ahead and outline my nose, kind of like a soft contour. I'm going to go ahead and blend that all in. Okay, now I'm adding some blush to give my face some more color and definition. Alright, now I'm mixing two colors from the Carly Bybel palette to highlight, and I'm highlighting the apples, above the apples of my cheek, the tip of my nose, the bridge, and also the cupid's bow of my lip. And of course the inner corners of my eyes. And I really think that pulls the whole look together, and it just makes your eyes look bigger and brighter. Alright, so what you don't see because my footage was cut off that I applied false lashes, and this is the end result. I hope you like this video.